Hey guys, so today I am bringing you this cranberry Christmas makeup look. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. So I already did this eye off camera and now I'm going to show you guys it on this side. I'm going to use my Profusion Pigment Base eyeshadow primer as always. And then I'm going to set it with my Wet n Wild Brulee eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using the original Jaclyn Hill palette for this. And I'm going to use the shade MFEO, this one right here, and I'm using the Morphe JH32 brush, and I'm just going to use that in my crease. And I'm going to go in with the shade Roxanne and start adding some more reddish tones in here. And I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of my eye with the Morphe JH33 brush, and I'm just blending it into the crease as well. Just this whole crease area, just not bringing it up as high. I'm going to take the Morphe M562 tiny crease brush, and I'm going to take the shade Jax, which is like a burgundy shade, and put that on the outer corner as well, and really deepen everything up with this color. And also on that outer lid area. And a little bit into the crease, but not as much, just a light dusting kind of. And then go back in with the brush that we used Roxanne on and just go over it. And I'm gonna go in with Cran Apple. It's like the perfect cranberry shade. And my Morphe M421 brush, and just use that all over my lid. Just pack it all over the lid. I'm just gonna use this as a mirror. And then I'm going to take some crayon apple with my finger and just really intensify that color on the lid. Just really make it pop. Going to take the shade and light right here, just with my finger, and apply that in my inner corner to highlight. So then I'm going to use my Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. And for primer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams Putty Primer. And then for foundation, I'm going to use the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. Because I want a nice matte finish this time. This is a really good matte foundation. And looks really smooth on the skin. And I'm just going to blend that out with my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge as always. And I'm going to use the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. And just once again blend that out with my sponge. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm going to use my sponge and just dip it in there and press it down all over to set my face. Okay, so then for bronzer, I'm going to use the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. And just bronze up my face with that. And then I'm going to use the Essence The Blush in the shade Beloved. I'm going to take a little bit of the e.l.f. contour palette and use this highlighting shade right here. Then for brows, I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams No Budge eyeshadow stick in Sweet Cream as eyeliner and put it in my waterline just to brighten it up. And I'm just going to add my ColourPop Act Natural mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm going to use my Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black, and I'm going to pop on my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. Okay, and then I'm going to use my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Alabama to finish off the look. And this is the completed cranberry Christmas makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.